If you would like to get student ID numbers into CrowdMark because your learning management system hasn't necessarily provided that information, or if you need to include a customized student ID that only has numbers so that you can use the automatic matching for administered assessments, you can easily update this information using a CSV to your course roster. So as you can see here, we've already imported in our list of students. You'll need to make sure that your CSV includes all of the information you need and that it matches what's already on your roster. So you'll need the name, the same email address, the section numbers, and your CSV will also need to include the student ID number. You'll click Update Students, upload a CSV file, search for the correct CSV file, and add it. You'll see here that we've pulled in the information from the CSV file, and you'll just need to quickly whip through and make sure that the column corresponds to the correct thing. You'll see here that we found the student ID numbers, and you can click Continue. Now, if you are using the integration with a learning management system, you will still be able to sync your roster to keep it up to date. And if your learning management system does push across student IDs that are different from your CSV, you can choose to ignore those in order to keep your customized student IDs on CrowdMark. And here you'll see the ID numbers.